I'm gonna pre-take this thing apart just to see what I'm gonna need. Yeah, so this needs to be replaced. Interesting. All right. So we do have a little bit of draw with this. So it's pulling current. I see a flashing light. I have a sound. I'm wondering, I think this is actually working. It's just very, very... Oh. It's got some numbers that it wants to display. So, second down. 12 yards remaining. Oh. Pass. Wow. So this is a video game, like it's a handheld video game. Oh, okay. Start. I think like right now the only problem is the display on it is very, very dim. All right, cool. So, despite what this advertiser said, this guy works. Let's take it apart, see if there's anything that's like amiss. This was, I think the reason this was listed as for parts not working is because like, A, it's super duper dim. Yeah, there's a good chance. And B, there's literally no, the instructions are on the back, and if you don't actually read them, you're not going to know what's going on. More than likely, this was just sitting in someone's like garage or something like that. I want to be a lot of soldering on this. Got buttons. Wow, man, look how basic this stuff was. It's got a Texas Instruments chip in it. Well, that's fun. All these resistors, these like through-hole resistors that I actually know what they are. I see like 0 capacitors on this. Because, Emily, I'm trying to buy stuff to fix, but this is like the first thing I had this morning I couldn't fix because, you know, the LCD is just gone. And this is working. So that makes it worse. rotate this thing. Turn this off. This one. I mean, you can see that, like, that's it. Which, I mean, I think it's, like, legitimately, I think it's fine. What are you talking about? Like all of these wires look original. I'm thinking whatever the problem is, when the reason they couldn't get it to work was this connector. It's got corrosion on it. We don't have any 9 volts here, do we, Angeline?
No. Those are those small ones, right?
No, everything looks correct to me. I don't see anything in here that's like incorrect, unless you're talking about these. That doesn't look like a mistake. That just looks like that's how they moved everything around. Like, everything here looks original. I'm not seeing different solders. Talking about these. Yeah, again, I would say that that's factory, like, honestly. By factory, I mean whatever you'd consider factory for this. I mean, all of this looks like it's the way that it was intended. I just think, I don't know, I'll look this up and see what this is supposed to actually sound and play like. Alright, so instead of having a piece of old technology that doesn't work, I have a piece of old technology that works perfectly. It's great. I just have to see if I can put a battery in it. Because it works when it's hooked up to my power supply. So, here's the interesting thing. This is the color that it is inside. This is the correct color for this. It's not like it's faded or yellowed. Like, this was never supposed to be white. This is supposed to be this brownish color. Like, I would love to, I'll probably actually do some restoration on this. But, like, I don't know, for the most part, this seems... not bad. Hey, thanks for watching that video. If you liked that video, make sure you hit the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And I stream daily on Twitch at twitch.tv/SpecVengeance. And yeah, if you want to learn more about my services, check out Bradenton PC Repair.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.